channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some new Christmas decor that I've picked up over the last couple of weeks. I have gotten some really cute things, so I am so excited to share them with you. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I like to find things on sale or get a good deal on them. I don't like to spend a whole lot of money, especially on seasonal decor, because it's only out for a couple of months or a few weeks depending on when you decorate. Today's haul is going to include places like Walmart and the Target dollar spot, TJ Maxx and Target, like the regular part of Target, not just the dollar spot, and Amazon, and I'm going to link everything that I can find for you as well, so make sure that you check out the description box. But before I get started showing you all the goodies that I picked up, I wanted to share with you my favorite tip for saving money when I'm shopping all throughout the year, but especially during the holiday season when you're spending a little bit more money than you normally would because you're buying gifts for people or you're trying to buy new decor for your home for Christmas. So I'm going to share with you my tip for saving money, and then we will just jump right on into this haul.
So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to Shoptagr.com. You're going to download the browser extension for Chrome. You just click that button and add it, and it will be right up in the little right corner. You can shop from thousands of different retailers. You can shop directly from their website, or you can also just go to the retailer that you want to and then add it to your Shoptagr from there. So here I am on Hobby Lobby's website. I'm showing you the Shoptagr button right there, and all I'm going to do is click that and then add that Christmas tree to it, and there it saves it, and then I can go ahead and add that into a list as well if I want to organize things. Here I am showing you my Christmas list. So once an item you've saved goes on sale, they're going to send you an email or a push notification if you download the app. So here I am scrolling through the things that I have saved, and I was scrolling through here and I realized that the new bedding set that I got from Walmart has gone on sale. I paid a lot more than that, guys, so this app definitely works. It's on a major sale and they notified me right there that it is. Now, my favorite thing about Shoptagr is they have a new feature now that when you are in checkout, right before you check out and you pay, they're going to actually search for any coupons out there, and if they find one, then they're going to go ahead and apply that to your purchase and save you even more money. So check out the description box and you can download Shoptagr from there and start saving money.
Okay, now that you have seen how to do that, I highly encourage you to go and download the app and or the browser extension and go ahead and start saving money today, because I use Shoptagr all the time and it saves me so much money. Also, I wanted to mention really quick, they are having a Black Friday giveaway. All you have to do is download the app and save 2 items into a list, and then you will be entered to win $500, and that ends on the 21st. They're going to pick a winner on the 22nd. So hurry up and make sure that you enter. It's totally free. There are no strings attached. Okay, so I have a huge box of decor right here, and it's going to be in no particular order, and I'm going to try my hardest to remember where I got everything. But I'm just going to start showing you as I pull it out. And also remember that I am going to try and find everything that I can, and I will have it linked for you guys in the description. So the first thing is this bow. I got this at Walmart, and this is going to be for the top of my tree. I love the black and white buffalo plaid checker, or whatever you want to call it. That's what I did last year, and I think it's so pretty. So I don't think I cannot remember what I did for a topper last year, but I don't remember it being anything special. So I'm excited to use this. That's my plans anyways. Okay, and then I picked up some, I guess I call them picks. I don't really know what they're called, but like greenery for my planters in my office. And I also probably can use these in vases and stuff too. Just depends on what ends up happening once I pull everything out. But they have these really cute little greeneries. These are like a waxy material, so they're really nice. And then they have little pine cones in them, and these were like 97 cents a piece. So I got several of these, and then I also got some of the white flowers as well. And I'm just going to kind of mix and match them together and make them look pretty, and then put them, like I said, in the planters. I have planters behind me beside my mirror, and then I have a bunch of like vases and stuff. But they had all kinds. They had red ones, and they had these, and they had some icicle looking ones. They had a ton at Walmart, so definitely check them out. Okay, and then I got this at Walmart, and I love this one. Let me see if I can remember how much it was or if the price is on it. It was $12.98, and it says Merry Christmas, and it's in the black and white. So I got this at Walmart. They have so much stuff. I'm really impressed with Walmart this year. All right, next at Walmart, I got 2 of these. I'll just show you one for the sake of this video, but they're exactly the same. This is pre-lit. There are lights on it, and it is battery operated. And I am going to, hopefully not drop this, I'm going to put these on my wrought iron pieces in the living room if you've seen those. That's my plan anyways, to hang them on those, and then at night turn the lights on, and I think they will be so pretty. So these were $16. $16 and some change. I don't know exactly, but I know they were $16. Okay, and then I got these from Walmart, the flocked garland, 9-foot flocked garland. I have taken one of them out of the box. I might show you, but it's so messy. Oh, but it's so beautiful, and if you can see here on the box, it kind of shows you it can go across your fireplace mantle, or you could wrap it around something, or you could lay it across the table. You can do all kinds of stuff, and these were $12, I think, too. $12. I believe they were like $12.98, but not bad at all. And let me see if I can show you this one. That's out of the box. It's such a mess, though. Oh, it's so messy because the flocking is falling off, but it is so pretty. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Again, it is 9 feet long. Okay, so Amazon has some great home decor for all the time. They really have some cute stuff for Christmas. So I got this pack of 4 pillowcase covers, or not pillowcase covers, but pillow covers. So you can actually just go ahead and cover a throw pillow that you already have with these, or you can buy the inserts like this. You can find these on Amazon as well. But I think I had gotten like a 2-pack of these, and then you can buy these. And again, this came in a 4-pack, and they're all these different Christmas designs. So this one says Farm Fresh, and it just has a zipper right here that you unzip, and then you insert the pillow. But I honestly will take some of my old throw pillows, or not old, but like non-seasonal ones, and just cover them with the seasonal cover just for the meantime, and save some money that way if you want to do that. And then it had this one as well. It says Merry Christmas. And this one here that says Mistletoe Farms Christmas Trees, Family Owned, Keeping It Real. That one is really cute as well. And then last but not least, this one with a cute little ornament. So Amazon, I'll have those linked for you guys. Then I picked up this pillow at Kohl's. I wanted something for my bed because I think it is so cute to add a seasonal pillow to my bedroom. I don't really decorate too much in there at all, but I do like to throw just 1 or 2 small items in there for the season. And so I thought this really large pillow would be really pretty on my white bedding and just make it pop. So I got this at Kohl's, and it was originally $40, but I got it on sale for half off, so it was like $20, which is a little more than I like to spend on a pillow, but it was so pretty I couldn't pass it up. So, but you can definitely add it to your Shoptagr, and it might even go on a better sale. And Kohl's almost always has coupons, and Shoptagr will find those coupons for you. So if you like this pillow, you can follow. If I can find it online for you, I'll have it linked, and you can just add it to your Shoptagr, and then they'll let you know when it goes on sale, and they'll pull up any coupons that are available at that time as well. So you can probably get it even better, on an even better deal than I did. Oh, I'm out of breath. I was sitting here filming this, and I was like, I know I have more stuff. I know I have more. So I ran down to the basement, and I had all my Target stuff still down there. I forgot to bring it up. So I ran down there, and then I ran back up. So I'm out of breath. So let's catch my breath first. Okay, so everybody knows about the Target dollar spot. If you don't know, what are you doing? It is where they have their items for like $1, $3, $5, and I think some of their items are a little bit more expensive now that it's become more popular. But they have the cutest stuff. So I got this little tree, and I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. It's kind of glittery as well. I don't know if you can see, but the stems have like glittery. I guess it's supposed to simulate snow. But it was $5. It comes in a little wooden box, and I love it. So they also have the little houses out again they had out last year, and this year they have a little bit different. So they have these that have the, like, I would consider this rose gold, maybe like a muted copper. They have silver and then just regular yellow gold as well, but I really liked these, and they actually already have the little tea light candle in there. And let's see, I think that the battery is also in there as well. You just have to pull the little tab out, and then it'll be a little candle in there. So I think I got 2 of these. That's all I got at Target. You know what? My Target dollar spot sucks. I hate to say it, but they do. I always see everybody else doing the little shop with me's, and they have the cutest stuff, and I hardly ever find anything in mine. I was really lucky to grab that stuff. Sometimes I hit the jackpot, and when I do, I definitely pick it up, because if I don't, it will be gone. So when I went to the back part of Target to look for like the main Christmas decor, they hadn't even put anything out yet. And it's November. So that's what I'm talking about. They need to get it together. So that was all I actually got at Target this year. I have so much stuff that I got from Target last year, and if you stay tuned, you will definitely see that in my Christmas tour, because I will be doing a Christmas tour of the new house, so make sure you're subscribed. But I did get a lot more last year. So the next place I went was Hobby Lobby, and I really didn't find a whole lot there either, but I did find this, and I love it so much. You know what? It's actually really similar to the one I got from Walmart, but who cares? I'll put it somewhere else. But it was half off of $14.99, so not bad at all. Hobby Lobby really has great prices. I just wasn't really impressed by what they had out this year, but that's just because of my personal taste. Like, your taste may be different than mine, and they may have all kinds of stuff, but for what I like, they really didn't have a lot. And then I got this little sign at Hobby Lobby, and it was $9.99 and then half off, so it was only $5, which is a really good deal, and it just says Merry Christmas as well. All right, so that's all I picked up this year so far. I may pick up a few things here and there if I find them, but I'm pretty confident that I have pretty much all that I need to decorate this year. I'm so excited. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you will be notified when I upload that Christmas decor. I'm going to do a decorate with me, I'm going to do a tour, and I'm going to do lots of little Christmas clean with me, so it's going to be lots of fun. It's totally free to subscribe. All it does is notify you when I upload a video. It's not going to spam your email or anything like that. If you do hit the notification bell, it will email you when I upload. It'll also give you a little push notification if it works correctly. That's what it's supposed to do, but it's not going to spam you with anything, and it's totally free. It's not going to charge you. You can unsubscribe whenever you like, but I hope that you don't. I hope you stick around. But I just wanted to clear that up in case you didn't know. I know some people are newer to YouTube and they don't really understand how it works, but subscribing basically just makes me pop up in your feed so you don't miss when I post a video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing that I picked up this year. I'm curious to know what your theme is this year as well. Like, mine's more of the black and the white muted theme. I would like to know what you're doing this year. And yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for all of your support. Don't forget to check out the description box. I will have a link to Shoptagr, and I will have a link to everything that I could find. I highly recommend downloading the app. I personally love it and use it all the time. It is my favorite money-saving app that I use. So, all right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!